Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photos on HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. And to do this we'll need to open a camera right here, go for the more. There should be super macro right here. If you can't see it, press on this button and edit the button or restore default settings right here. Now open super macro and there's optimal shooting distance 4 centimeters from the object of interest, and in this case let's go with this with our logo right here. Make sure to give it a good light to make it work, and you probably can't see much, but I'm gonna show you the photo afterwards. When taking a picture, try not to move your phone as much, and then you should get the photo like this in a macro mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.